Just as a review, we're going to go back through how to figure out the equation from the table. So we saw the one before. Hopefully you tried the practice one. Now on this one, if we remember, we need m and b. B is our y-intercept, which is where x equals 0. So b in this situation is going to be 13. Positive 13 just because it's positive. Okay? Now if we remember, okay, m is going to be our change in y divided by our change in x. Well, our change in y, this is changing by 3 each time. This is changing by 1. So I could divide by 1, but 3 divided by 1 is still going to be 3. So my equation is going to be y equals 3x plus 13. Okay? Now Andrea is going to come and try the bottom one. This is Andrea.
Hi guys. So I see that my change in x is still 1, so I'm just going to divide by 1. And I need to find what the change is in y. It's not as easy to see as it is with the other ones, so I'm going to choose two values and just find the difference and subtract them to make sure I don't make a mistake. And I'm just choosing these two because I don't want to find the difference of a negative because that's a little bit harder. It makes it harder to find. So I'm going to do 6.8 minus 4.1. So the pattern that's happening each time is I'm adding 2.7. So my b value, well not my b value, my slope is my 2.7. But my b value is always the first one in the chart. So my b value is going to be negative 1.3. So I can easily write my equation as y equals 2.7 times x plus a negative 1.3. And I'm done. And I did it perfectly.
Wait a second, Andrea. That's not right.
What did I do?
This is the first one, but if we look, it's actually when x equals 0.
But I don't have a 0.
No, you don't. So
What do
we
I
have to
do? There's no solution?
No, we just quit. No, just kidding. We don't quit.
Okay.
We.
What do we do?
What do we do? Well, if we go back one, that's
Okay.
going to be 0.
Okay.
So I have to, instead of adding 2.7, I subtract 2.7 from 1.3, negative 1.3, to get my value there. Okay? So doing that, we end up with negative 4. So that instead is going to be my b value. So my correct equation is going to be y equals 2.7x minus 4.
Oh. So I have to find a 0 if there's not a 0 on the chart.
Now, every time you have to find the 0 when x equals 0. Good job, though.
Thank you.